Now imagine this. You've bought a piece of land, you've paid all the dues, and suddenly the seller decides to back out. What is it that you'll do next? So, you've entered into a sale agreement with the seller. You've paid the necessary dues, and everything seemed to be going very smoothly. But now the seller is saying, I don't want to sell anymore. Now, this can be a very frustrating situation. In India, when you enter a sale agreement, it is a binding contract. If the seller refuses to complete the transaction, they are in the breach of a contract. And it is so important to remember that you likely have rights in this situation, especially if you have the signed documentation which is confirming the sale. Now, let's say you've already sent a legal notice. This is a good first step. It officially informs the seller of their obligations. But if they continue to ignore you, you'll need further legal actions. Firstly, your first step should be to consult with a property lawyer. They can guide you on your legal options and can help strengthen your case. Second option is to file a suit for specific performance in civil court. This legal action asks the court to enforce the sale agreement, compelling the seller to complete the transaction. And now if you think there's a risk that the seller might try to sell the property to someone else, your lawyer should help you seek an injunction to prevent that from happening. Now, sometimes disputes can be resolved without going to court. Mediation involves a neutral third party who can help facilitate a resolution between you and the seller. So you can try this route as well. Now, if you end up in court, please be prepared for a process that may take some time. The court will review all the documents and both you and the seller will have a chance to present your cases. With the right evidence, you have a very solid chance of winning. I understand that dealing with property disputes can be stressful, but please make sure your paperwork is in order and stay patient and trust the legal process.